Hello everyone, today we are going to take a look at another obstacle in this video. So today's obstacle is 41037 meeting scheduler. Let's take a look at the problem statement. So basically there is a table and they want to check is the room available on Thursday from this time, right, open or closed. So here we have the information. We have to go into this particular row and this particular column, and this is mentioned as closed, so I have to pick up the information from here and then I have to write that information here. So let's get started. So I'll go to my modules and I'll quickly scan this, scan application. So whenever we will find a table like this, then it is usually going to be in a form of a web table. Let's click on select on screen and see. Okay, so it's in a table format, and then this is something where I need to enter, so I'll select this as well. Okay, and the obstacle number is 41037, so I'll just rename this to obstacle 41037. I will just put a wildcard here and I'll save this. Okay, so first what we need to do is we need to navigate to this particular page and find what is the value, pick that up and put it here. Now let's see how we'll do that. So let me copy this and I'll put it in the test case, drag and drop here, F2, and let's take a look at the row and the column. So whenever you will scan a table, it will always be in this form, row and column. Okay, now see which row we are trying to target here. The row is 11 to 13. Okay, so what we can do is we can copy this and we can paste it here. Okay, we are going to work with the headers. So here in case of row, I'll enter, this is the row in which we need to navigate, and they want Thursday, so we need Thursday as the column. So I'll copy this and I'll put it in the cell here. Okay, so I need T as well. Okay, so based on this particular row and column, I want to extract the value. So row is defined and column is this. So if both are defined, then we'll be able to navigate to this particular place. Okay, so what I want to do here is I will buffer this value. So I'll select buffer and I can mention anything. I can mention day here. Okay, and this is something which I need to place in this. So all I need to pass is as an input, and this is the buffer which we have created. Irrespective of whether it is open or closed, it will pick up that value and I'll just pass that value. So I'll use curly brackets, B, square brackets, and then whatever is the buffer name I have defined above, day, and I'll put like this and I'll close this. Okay, now let's run this and see if it works. So what it is going to do is it is going to take a look at the web table, navigate based on what's the row header, what is the column header, and then navigate to that exact position and then put the value. Since we are able to automate it successfully, the website is designed in a way that we'll get this good job, you have solved this automation problem. So that's how we solve this kind of automation problem. This is a whole series which is containing questions of all the obstacle lists provided by Tricentis. In case you like it, do like the video and have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you.